When Up4 came to us, their app had potential, but the beta version just wasn't working. It was buggy, clunky, and far from launch-ready. They had a bold idea: make it easy for friends to share what they're up for and plan spontaneous hangouts. But the tech needed a full reset. That's where we came in. At Imaginovation, we started from scratch. We led discovery sessions, unpacked the vision, and used object-oriented UX to map out every key interaction. Then, we rebuilt everything, from architecture to design, all with a focus on simplicity, performance, and user experience. In just 6 months, our small, focused team delivered a stable MVP that aligned perfectly with Up4's goals. The result? A sleek and intuitive app built to connect people in real time, and a product ready to grow that's gaining new users every day.